Hi, welcome to Lightspeed Academy. I'm Jim Cooper, and thanks for joining me for this Lightspeed session on binding to data with React. We now have our product component displaying a product image for us, but this product name and price are just hard-coded. Let's see how to bind this to data from an object. So back in our product component, here's that placeholder text. Let's actually bind that to some product data. Usually we'd like to get this data from an API call. We'll do that later. But for now, I'm just going to paste in a product object right here. Now, binding to data isn't really any different than anything we've already learned. It's just JavaScript since we're using JSX. So down here, instead of this hard-coded text, we're just going to create a JavaScript expression here. And this will just render product.name from our product object. And then we'll do the same thing for product price. Only I want to format this product price. So I've got this format utils file over here that I've added. And in here you can see that I've just got this toCurrency format function, which formats a numeric string as currency using the currency symbol of galactic credits. So let's use this to format our product price. First we'll import it, and then we'll just call it like this, passing in the product price. And then let's delete this image file name variable, and then we'll update this expression to get the image file name from our product object. Okay, let's take a look at this. Cool, now we're displaying our warp core product data underneath our image. And there's nothing too special we did here, we just used JavaScript expressions in our JSX. And now we can use this product component to display lots of different products. But first, we'll have to learn how to pass data into this component. If you want to keep going, here's the next video on passing data to components with props. And here is the entire Lightspeed React playlist. And of course, please like and subscribe if you'd like to see any other content that we're putting together. And thanks, and keep learning at Lightspeed.